Hi, my name is Anya, and today I'll be talking about the Breda Murders. This case was suggested by one of my subscribers. If there's any case you want me to talk about, please leave in the comment section below. I'll be talking about this case while making churro cups. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be talking about the Breda Murders while making churro cups. Disclaimer, I'm telling the case as I perceived it. I mean no disrespect to the victims or the victim's family. Let me know in the comments if I missed something about the case. The case I'll be talking about today is absolutely devastating. The crime takes place on the 27th of January 2015 at a golf estate in Stellenbosch after a phone call made by Henry van Breda to the police. The phone call is as follows. My family and me were attacked by a guy with an axe. When police got to the scene, they said they were in shock at how brutal the murders were. They said the blood ran like a waterfall down the stairs. At the scene, the police found 54-year-old Martin van Breda, his wife 55-year-old Teresa, and their son Rudy, aged 22, dead by an axe attack. The police also found that Van Breda's daughter, aged 16, Marlene, was in critical condition. The family's youngest son, Henry, aged 20, was slightly injured. According to court papers, Henry made a call to his girlfriend at 4:42 a.m., but it went unanswered. He then searched on the internet for local emergency numbers, yet almost 3 hours later did he only make a call to emergency services. Now, I'm sorry, but if I were in his position and my family had just been attacked, I think I'd call emergency services a bit quicker than 3 hours. 18 months into the investigation, police believed that Henry was the only possible suspect. Yet, during the trial, he maintained his innocence. During the trial, many have said that he was unflustered and highly articulate. His testimony turned their blood cold, and some have said that they felt like they were staring into the eyes of a psychopath. This just amazes me. How can you be so calm when A, your family had just been attacked, and in said attack he lost his mom, dad, and brother, and that left his sister in critical condition? And B, now you are considered the main suspect. If I were in his position, I'd be absolutely freaking out. Throughout his trial, there has never been a distinctive reason why the Van Bredas were targeted or even killed. There's no motive to kill them, and family and friends have said that they were extremely pleasant to be around, that they had no enemies. But there are some theories of why they could have been murdered. It has been reported that Martin's twin brothers said that Martin and Teresa had threatened Henry that if he did not stop using drugs that they were going to cut him off. Some have even speculated that he killed them during a drug-induced episode, but that has never been proven. Now let's see the step-by-step of how things started to unravel. In January 2014, the Van Bredas moved from Australia to South Africa, where they moved into their home in Stellenbosch. On the 27th of January 2015, 1 year later, and they were supposedly attacked by an intruder. 13 July 2016, Henry hands himself over to the police. 14th of June 2016, Henry appears in the Stellenbosch Magistrates Court to face 3 charges of murder, 1 of attempted murder, and another of defeating the ends of justice. Bail was set at 100,000 rand. September 2016, Henry and his girlfriend are arrested for possession of cannabis. They were granted bail and the Van Breda case was postponed. 4th of April 2017, murder trial begins. 27th of May 2018, the judge finds Henry guilty on all charges laid against him. He is immediately taken into custody. Henry is sentenced to life imprisonment for each of the 3 murders, 15 years for attempted murder and 12 months for obstruction of justice. Marley, the only other surviving member, has no memory of the day of the attack. And that was the case of the Van Breda murders. If there's anything I missed about the case, let me know in the comments section below.